Hi, it's Anthony from CarPlayLife.com, and in this video I'll be looking at another new Android 11 AI box from M.i.c. This RK0232 Android 11 OS AI box is a low-cost 4-core entry-level AI box that features the same great menu UI with the same persistent side dock as M.i.c's flagship HDMI box that I reviewed recently on the channel. Yet this AI box offers a different chipset. There's a single SD card slot, and it has the kind of specs that would suit much lighter tasks, as well as video streaming from apps like YouTube and Netflix. Looking over the AI box, it has a similar case design to the Otocast U2 Lite, as well as M.i.c's first Qualcomm 665 AI box that we reviewed earlier on this channel. However, this one comes in a white color. It has lots of perforated holes around the outside of the case to keep the chipset inside cool. On one end of the AI box, there is a status light. There's a USB-C port to charge the dongle. And on the end, there is a SD card slot for more additional storage. Booting up the AI box into its main menu took 37 seconds from a hot boot. I did get a black screen at startup on my Pioneer 93DAB aftermarket system. However, connecting it to my Alpine aftermarket system, it ran just fine on the Pioneer. So maybe it was set to an incompatible resolution out of the factory. It uses the same menu interface, which has a persistent sidebar dock that displays the last 3 used apps. There are also clear back and home buttons that have additional functions when held down that enable you to go into split screen mode and also switch between currently running apps. With just 2 GB of RAM inside the AI box, you're limited to the number of apps that you can run in memory, and the 32 gig of storage ends up being around 22 gig after its installed Android 11 operating system and a handful of pre-installed apps. For most, you'll find this space just enough to download the majority of apps and media that you'll want to use or playback on your CarPlay display, but you can always insert a large TF card should you need any more storage. There's no SIM card slot on this AI box, so when it comes to supplying this dongle with an internet connection, you're restricted to either connecting it to a local Wi-Fi hotspot or tethering from a personal hotspot on your iPhone or Android device. So in short, this will restrict you from using both Android OS apps and wireless CarPlay or Android Auto simultaneously because both require Wi-Fi to function. Once you've got the dongle online, you can update any pre-installed apps and download new ones from the Google Play Store, or simply sideload them through the pre-installed APK installer app. Apps like the usual Google Suite, YouTube, Netflix and VLC come pre-installed on this dongle. Both video streaming apps run well considering this AI box sits in the lower range of specs. However, it has one advantage in that it does have its M.i.c G52 GPU, which scores better than all the other non-QC665 AI boxes that I've reviewed. So this beefier GPU may do a little more in the heavy lifting when it comes to video playback. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are handled in the Multiplay app on this AI box. Pairing your phone to it over Bluetooth will fire up each car platform wirelessly onto your CarPlay display. CarPlay took 13 seconds to launch, whilst Android took 14 seconds. From here, both platforms were responsive with the usual common Wi-Fi traits of a slight delay of 1 to 2 seconds in the audio and input commands. Its Wi-Fi spec shows a low max data rate of 65 megabits per second, Wi-Fi 4 and 20 megahertz channel width. Yet it has a similar signal strength to most common AI boxes. I tried out a few games on this dongle to test its GPU and performance. Some of the fast-paced games I tested showed compression or some artifacts, and the frame rate wasn't as smooth as some faster performing AI boxes. This AI box doesn't have dual Bluetooth either, so I did try my Bluetooth Xbox controller as well as the Bluetooth remote, and neither did pair with it. This AI box from M.i.c is currently retailing for €229.99 from Amazon DE. And you can check out my links down below to find out more about this AI box and to buy yourself one. Unfortunately, this AI box from M.i.c doesn't sell directly on Amazon US, but you could try shipping directly from Germany, or you could look for this particular dongle on AliExpress. At its price, it is difficult to understand who this AI box is for. Its low-end performance can lack in places, so its price should really reflect this. However, it doesn't. Comparing it alongside other AI boxes I've reviewed, this dongle sits in the lower end of them, yet its GPU is the second best performing under their own HDMI box AI dongle. However, this doesn't show that much in some of the games that I tested. So overall, if you're after an AI box for light tasks or video streaming, if you can get this dongle relatively cheap, it's not too bad at doing this. But personally, I would still save a little money and check out their much faster performing QC665 HDMI box instead, which retails for roughly around $20 cheaper. If you'd like to watch another of my CarPlay Android AI box reviews, you can check out this video here, and I'll see you there. Thanks for watching though to the end of this video. Give me a thumbs up to let me know if you have any questions about this AI box from M.i.c, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Cheers. Bye.